Okay, a wheel has a radius of 27 cm. It makes 30 complete turns. What is the distance it travels? Previously, we agreed that one complete turn is the circumference, right? The length of the circumference. Am I right or wrong? Okay. So now, since it makes 30 complete turns, how many times the circumference is that, Ryan? 30. Okay. So first of all, we need to find the circumference, right? Which in this case, what's the formula, Yongqian? Two times pi times r. Can you tell me? Can Jingkai tell me why did she use that formula instead of the other one? Jingkai, I'm asking you a question. Do you even know my question? Leroy? Because they gave you the radius, right or wrong? So instead of using pi times d, okay, we'll use 2 pi r, correct? Why we want to do extra step? Right? Okay, so that's why we use 2 times pi times r to find the circumference. So 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r equals to 2 multiplied by pi in this case is 3.14 times 27. Okay, what's the answer, Lauren? Okay, never mind. Gabriel is faster. Gabriel, tell me. Jingkai, tell me. 169.56 cm. So this is circumference, right? That means one complete turn, yes or no? Okay, Kaden, tell me what's the next step. Okay, done. What's my question? So? Wendy, can you repeat what Kaden said? Multiply by 30, right? Because this is for one complete turn. That means this is, yeah, we want 30 complete turns, so we need to multiply by 30. Another step, 169.56 multiplied by 30. And what do you get this time, Lauren? 5,000. 5,086, is it? Okay, 5,086.8. Do you all get the same answer as her? So remember to write A and S. Because this one they did not ask you to round off, so please do not do any rounding off since they did not. Okay. Leave your answer in centimeter, but they never say to the nearest centimeter, right? Children, did they say leave your answer to the nearest centimeter? No. So do you need to round off in this case? No. Okay, please read the question carefully. Okay, this is not this question does not require you to round off. Okay, let's look at question 9. A wheel has a radius of 21 cm. How many complete turns must it make to cover a distance of 1980 cm? This is the reverse, right? Yes or no? They are doing the reverse. Okay, but still, what should I do for the first step, Dylan? Okay, 2 times pi times r And in this case, the pi is how much? And the r is 21. So we can do a fraction reduction, 1 and 3, right? So I have 2 times 22 is how much? 2 times 22 is? 44 times 3, April? 132. Go, Sky, what does 132 stands for? Distance covered by one complete turn, right? Distance covered by the wheel in one complete turn. So, but we need to know how many complete turns must it make to cover a distance of 1980 cm. So, Xue Wei, what must I do next? 1980 Okay, 1980 divided by 132. So, Xue Wei, what's the answer? 15. So, it's 15 complete turns. So, ANS 15. Do I need units in this case, Leroy? Do I need to write 15 cm? No need, right? Why? Because they are asking for the number of complete turns. Okay, they are not asking for distance. Let's do the next question. Okay, now the figure shows a semicircle. Yesterday I also explained to you what's the meaning of semicircle, right? Okay, semicircle means half a circle. Very good, Wendy. With a diameter of 10 meters. Take note of the units, it's meters now, 10 meters. Find the perimeter of the figure. Do you notice that they use this word perimeter? They never use the word circumference anymore. Okay? Yes, because we can only use the circumference when it's the whole circle. We only use the word circumference when we are talking about the outline of the whole circle. Otherwise, we will use perimeter. Like for example, for semicircle, we will use the word perimeter. For quadrant, we use perimeter when we are talking about outline. So we are actually looking at this area. This outline. So this part that is in yellow is actually how many times of the circumference? Half, right? So we can find the yellow region first, which is half of the circumference. But which circumference formula must I use in this case, Yun Song? Pi multiplied by diameter, right? Yes, do you all agree with him? So pi multiplied by diameter, and we are having half of it. Okay? So in this case, pi is 3.14 according to a question, and the diameter is 10. So in the end, I get 15.7, sorry. 15.7. But is this the final answer? Okay, what must I do next, Eldon? Who is the one who say divide? Why divide? Can you explain to me? Tell me what's the next step. Who doesn't know find the perimeter, right? The question also say find the perimeter. What is the base? You call that the base?
No, that's not what I meant. That is not what I meant. I meant
What is that called? Okay, so you need to add this part, right? Yes or no? So it's 15.7 plus 10 equals to 25.7. So remember ANS 25.7 meters. Take note. Right? No rounding off needed as well because the question did not ask you to round off. Let's look at the next question. Okay, the figure shows a quarter circle. Okay, the quarter circle, another name for quarter circle is known as what, Kaden? Quadrant. Okay, Jing Kai, how to spell quadrant? Q-U Quadrant. Q-U
The word is just I don't even know one.
Quadrant. Or is it like this? Because this is quarter, right? Is it quadrant or like this? Which is the correct one? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna ask. I think Emma B should be able to give me the correct answer, right? She got such a wide smile today. Which is the correct one? Emma B. Number 1, you sure? Okay, Belina, what do you think? The first one or second one? I'm asking quite a simple question, right? I give you MCQ 1 or 2. Huh? 1 or 2? 1. Who thinks it's 1? Put down your hand. That means this is 1. This is the correct spelling. So who thinks it's 1? Put down your hand. You're so confident. Huh? So you don't agree, Jack? You don't agree? Okay. Now I give you the chance to flip through your worksheet to look for quadrant. I never hear anything. Who's the one who heard it? Go and pick up the phone. Say Mr. Xia not around. MRP or MRB? Hey, where's MRP today? You changed it again?
She changed it. She tried to punish the people here by making me sit with them.
Then Intro should sit alone, what? If he's annoying. And then what's wrong with Mr. Teo? How come he actually asked Yun-Chong to be a class monitor when Yun-Chong is the most annoying? Oh, you all sabo him?
No, we vote him. We vote for him.
Oh. Okay, the next class monitor must be Damir already, right?
Wait, but next year we won't be here anymore.
Maybe second semester change?
Each semester got one monitor.
Yeah. Hey, first time in Nian Primary School, are you?
No, yet. No, I'm not.
Not yet. Not yet in Nian Primary School? Okay, children, have you all found out the word quadrant?
No.
Too bad for you. Go and check the dictionary. You found it? You found it? So, how to spell? Charlene, tell everyone. So, Q-U-A-D-R-A-N-T. So, please know your spelling. How to spell a quadrant. Don't make a fool of yourself. Don't think quarter. Then you take the quad. Then you run. Okay? So, it's wrong. Okay, well, let's look at part B. Okay, you need to know your spelling because right now, right, Right now, I've been seeing people when I mark, okay, exam papers. I see that people cannot. After I say finish, okay, I realized that when I was marking papers, right, I realized that people cannot spell words like triangle. You think funny? I can see people spelling triangle as T-I-R-A-N-G-L-E. Don't laugh. I also see people spelling parallelogram wrongly. Okay, a lot of you do not know how to spell parallelogram. Hey, all these are mathematical terms that you need to know how to spell, because sometimes they will ask you, name the figure.
What?
See, I told you. Until now, you may think it's funny, but if you are the one taking the exam, right? Okay, unfortunately, you'll be marked wrong. Okay, so please take note of the spelling. I'm going to continue the question after recess.